Welcome back to Chef D-Way, guys. Today, we're doing a whole chicken. I took the whole chicken already. I wish I would have recorded it, but I took the whole chicken. I cut it in half, basically in two halves. What I'm going to do is I'm going to season both sides. Alright, I'll show you the seasoning as well. Season both sides real good. Put it in our sous vide. Alright, guys, so we have one side seasoned. As always, you season both sides of your meat. We're going to put it in our bags, take the air out, and leave it to let the flavors soak into the meat overnight. All right, we have both of our half chickens in their bags. We're going to put them in the fridge, leave them overnight. Alright guys, this chicken has been marinated for 24 hours. Now it's time to put it in our sous vide for 3 hours. And that's my daughter in the background. Let's do it. Alright guys, the chicken just finished. Check it out. It's pretty hot actually. So we're gonna... I can make a stock with it actually. I'm probably not gonna do it right now, today. All right, guys, listen. Chicken smells incredible. Take a look. You can even see some of the juices still dripping down from the chicken. I thought I wasn't gonna keep the stock, but I told myself, why not? I'm gonna make some zucchini noodles. Actually, this is all the stock from that chicken, which smells amazing. I'm actually gonna mix that with my zucchini noodles when I make that as a side, but today we're gonna focus on the chicken. What we're gonna do right now is pat it dry. We're not gonna rub or try to pat it too much because we don't want to rub off our seasoning. So when we're patting it, the seasoning will easily come up. So we're gonna try to pat it as dry as we can so that we can use my new toy, the butane fuel torch, to get a good crispy skin. What I'm also gonna do is this. I'm gonna take some avocado oil. I'm gonna melt it melt some in here, throw some garlic in, a little bit of parsley, mix it, and it's gonna be my basting. So as I'm torching to get a crispy skin, I'm gonna baste it a few times, torch, baste, torch, just so the skin won't be burnt, but rather crispy. So first time doing it, hope it goes great. I'll pat it dry, we'll be right back. All right, so I don't know how this is gonna work because normally I know you're supposed to use butter, and I'm trying to eat a lot healthier. So I'm using avocado plant-based butter. Of course, this is not a sponsored video, but this is what my family used as a substitute for butter because we we love some butter in this house. So I'm gonna take some. I mean, I'm not actually measuring out exactly the exact amount I'm using right now. Just enough. So I think, okay, that's good. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt this. I want to try to use my torch to melt this butter before I throw some garlic in and parsley. First time using this thing, so. Uh-oh.
It's dangerous.
It is dangerous. Okay. All right. Don't know why I was doing that. Maybe it's because of this glass or whatever. But plan B, microwave. I'm not trying to burn my house down. I'm gonna microwave this. Let me find a cover for it real quick. That baby said. All right, you can stop for a second. All right, guys. I don't know what just happened, but we put the avocado butter in. We tried to did a torch to it, and it started to pop a little bit. So I didn't know what was going on. So I thought I'll just cover it up and put it in the microwave. And we did that for about 30 seconds. We heard some pops, and I said I added another 30 seconds to it, and the whole bowl exploded. I mean, went everywhere, right, yo?
Yes.
Everywhere. So we just got done cleaning it up and said, you know what? We're using butter tonight. But tell me in the comments below why that may have happened. It was just literally avocado, plant-based butter. I have no idea why it exploded in the microwave that way. So I'm gonna torch this down, melt it, and add my stuff to it so we can get started. Okay, that's taking longer than I thought. We're gonna put it in the microwave so we can get this thing over with. All right, so we got our butter melted finally, thanks to the microwave. Mixing up a little bit of parsley and garlic that's been minced. Or I bought it minced already. Save me some time. I'm gonna use this to baste my chicken every so often so it doesn't burn, but it gives me a nice crispy skin. The butter smells amazing. All right. All right, so we got our final results here, and Joanna,
Hi.
my queen, is gonna try it first. Now, again, I have zero clue. Oh, how does it look? Nice, nice.
Nice, nice.
Sous vide for 3 hours, 167 degrees. All right. Honest opinion.
It's moist.
Okay.
The skin isn't too crispy.
It's not as crispy enough?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
But the flavor is really good.
Oh, yeah?
The, what was it? The broth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like that broth?
Yeah, the seasoning is really, really good.
Okay, good deal. Now, the zucchini noodles, before you eat that, that has that broth in. This is my first time doing it with that broth. I did that broth in it, a little bit of pepper and salt as well, and I just let it simmer in that. Honest opinion. Okay.
I taste more of the vinegar.
You do? I did put a drop of vinegar in too. I forgot about that.
I taste more of the vinegar than the broth.
So I screwed it.
Maybe a little bit.
Good job. But the chicken?
The chicken was good. The seasoning was really good.
All right. So was the torch worth it? The butane deal was worth it?
I'm not going to say yes just because the skin isn't crispy. And I think that was the whole
Is it crispy at all?
Mine isn't.
Yeah. Maybe it's not.
Maybe it wasn't enough torching.
Probably so. I didn't want to burn the house down. So, all right, my turn. And you're right. The skin, which I checked as I was doing it, is not as crispy. Certain areas are more than others. Not as crispy as I would like it to be. I'll cut into it and give it a try. Maybe I need to use my fork as well. That tastes. I can taste some of it already. It's pretty good. White. Good, moist, very moist. I can taste a little bit of that butane fuel. Maybe I had it too close. I'm not sure, but I can taste a little bit of that. But it's very good though. Very good. Here we go. Totally. I taste the stock a little bit, but you're totally right. The vinegar is just it's too strong. So maybe next time I do no vinegar next time maybe. But it's still good. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Listen, comment down below and tell me what you think I may have done wrong or could have done differently to make this thing a whole lot better. I'm always willing to learn. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you haven't liked and subscribed yet already. And hey, watch out, another video will be coming soon. If there's anything you want to see in particular that you want me to cook or try, let me know and we'll do it. Have a great one.